How to Oil, Condition, and Clean a Cutting Board by Howard Products. Season unfinished wood surfaces by applying at least 2 coats of cutting board oil. Let each coat soak in for at least 20 minutes. For thick wood surfaces like countertops, apply 3 to 4 coats and let each coat soak in for at least an hour. Make sure to spread cutting board oil evenly with a soft cloth. Apply cutting board oil to the edges of the board, then let it soak in for at least 20 minutes. Howard cutting board oil is made with clear, odorless, pure food-grade mineral oil. It's safe for all wood surfaces that come in contact with food and will never go rancid. Apply another coat of cutting board oil. Make sure to get any dry areas that may have been missed in the first application. The mineral oil used in cutting board oil is from virgin mineral oils and has no contact with nuts, gluten, or other potentially allergenic materials either in production, storage, or transportation. Spread cutting board oil evenly on the wood surface and let it soak in for another 20 minutes. After seasoning with cutting board oil, apply butcher block conditioner. The conditioner helps protect the wood by keeping the mineral oil in and the moisture out. Butcher block conditioner is a combination of food-grade mineral oil, beeswax, and carnauba wax. It is ideal for conditioning and maintaining all wooden butcher blocks, cutting boards, wooden bowls, and utensils. Spread the conditioner evenly with a soft cloth. Make sure to get the grooves in the sides of the board. The penetrating quality of food-grade mineral oil, along with the water-resistant traits of beeswax and carnauba wax, helps to rejuvenate the wood and prevent drying. After 20 minutes, wipe off any excess butcher block conditioner and buff the wood to a nice sheen. If the bottom of the board looks dry, then apply a coat of butcher block conditioner. Remember to apply more conditioner whenever the wood looks or feels dry. When it comes time to clean your cutting board, use Howard Cutting Board Cleaner. Cutting Board Cleaner effectively cleans and neutralizes odors on well-used wood surfaces, including butcher blocks, cutting boards, wooden bowls, and utensils. First, rinse the board with warm water. Then apply cutting board cleaner with a sponge. The natural cleaning properties of lemon oil and coconut soap safely clean any wood surface and leave it smelling fresh. Scrub the surface in the direction of the wood grain until a lather is formed and the board is clean. Then rinse with warm water to remove the cleaner. Dry the wood with a clean towel. Remove the cutting board from the sink and let it air dry before applying a coat of butcher block conditioner. For more information, visit our website at howardproducts.com.